Today we are going to discuss about important questions and previous questions list from maths topic. Already inverse trigonometry topic we completed and I am adding that inverse trigonometry topic to the playlist of 1 mark important questions of previous years. So now today we are going to discuss about maths topic. So first question, March 2020. If a matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So if you take 5 elements, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 elements we can arrange in a matrix either row wise or column wise. So only 2 possibilities are there for 5 elements. Either row wise we can arrange them or we can arrange them as a column wise. So therefore possible number of possible orders are 1 by 5 or 5 by 1. 1 row 5 columns or 5 rows 1 column. Only these two are possible. Next, March 2019, March 2014 and July 2016 question. Define a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix. Scalar matrix if all diagonal elements are equal. If all diagonal elements are equal. That means if you take a square matrix 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 example. Here all diagonal elements are equal to 2. So this is diagonal matrix. In diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix if all diagonal elements are equal and the remaining non-diagonal elements are 0. This type of matrix is called as scalar matrix. Next, March 2018 problem. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A. A is equal to Aij. This small a denotes element of ith row and jth column whose elements are given by Aij. Element of ith row jth column is equal to ith row by jth column. So based on this condition, construct a 2 by 2 matrix. So given A is equal to we need 2 by 2 matrix. That means matrix should contain 2 rows and 2 columns. So the condition is Ai. This is in first row and first column. Element in first row and first column. Next, element in first row, second column. Always I denotes row number, J denotes column number. Next, A 2 1. So element in second row, first column, and element in second row, second column. So based on this condition, next, so A11 is equal to element of first row, first column. That means I value is 1, J value is 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Next, A12, I value 1, J value 2, 1 by 2. Next, A21, I value is 2, J value is 1, 2 by 1, that means 2. Next, A22, I value is 2, J value is also 2, 2 by 2, both gets cancelled, we will get 1. Therefore, matrix A is equal to A11 is 1, A12 is 1 by 2, A21 is 2 and A22 is 1. This is matrix A of 2 by 2 size. March 2000 question and March 2018 question both are same. Now we are going to discuss about fifth problem. If a matrix x plus 2, y minus 3, 0, 4 is a scalar matrix, find x and y. This is March 2016 problem. So we know scalar matrix definition. If diagonal elements are equal and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0, then that matrix is called as scalar matrix. Diagonal elements means x plus 2 and 4. X plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So, next, diagonal elements are equal and non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Here already we have 0. So, this is non-diagonal elements. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3. So, y is equal to 3. X equal to 2 is the answer. Next, construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to Aij whose elements are given by the condition half of mod of minus 3a plus j. This question is given in March 2015. So we need to construct a 2 by 2 matrix and the matrix name is A. A is equal to 2 rows, 2 columns should be there. So based on this condition, A is a element of ith row and jth column. So here I am taking element of first row, first column, element of first row, second column, element of second row, first column, and element of second row, second column. So for this element, condition is there. How to find A11 value means here based on this condition we need to find A11. So A11, I value is 1, J value is 1. So based on this condition, how much we will get? A11 means 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I value is 1 plus J value is 1. So half into mod of minus 3 plus 1, mod of minus 2. Mod of minus 2 value is 2. 2 into 2 gets cancelled. 2 by 2 gets cancelled. Answer is 1. Next, A1, 2. First row, second column. I value is 1, J value is 2. So half into minus 3 into I value is 1 plus J value is 2. So half into minus 3 plus 2. Mod of minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So mod of minus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Next, A21. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into I value is 2 plus J value is 1. So half into minus 6 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Mod of minus 5 is 5. So 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. Last element A22. Half into minus 3 into I value is 2 as well as J value is also 2. So half into minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Mod of minus 4 is 4. 2 to the 4. So answer is 2. Therefore matrix A is equal to A11 is 1, A12 is 1 by 2, A21 is 5 by 2 and A22 is 2. So this is matrix A. Next, July 2014 question. Define diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means a square matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Jij m by m is said to be diagonal matrix. Is said to be diagonal matrix if all non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. All non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Next, some more important questions. First question is define row matrix. Row matrix means a matrix is said to be row matrix. A matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row. If a matrix contains only one row, then that matrix is called as row matrix. Similarly, column matrix means a matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column, then it is called column matrix. Next, define a square matrix. Square matrix means a matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows of a matrix equal to the number of rows of matrix equal to the number of columns of a matrix. A matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows of a matrix equal to the number of columns of a matrix. Next, define symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means a square matrix is said to be symmetric if A is equal to A dash. So transpose of a matrix again equal to same matrix, then it is called symmetric matrix. Similarly, a square matrix, what is skew symmetric matrix means a square matrix is said to be skew symmetric if A is equal to minus A dash. Next, null matrix or zero matrix. A matrix is said to be null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix if every element of a matrix equal to 0. If every element of a matrix equal to 0, then that matrix is called as null matrix or zero matrix. Next, define singular matrix and non-singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be singular matrix if det A is equal to 0. A square matrix is said to be non-singular matrix if det A not equal to 0. If det A is 0, then it is called singular matrix. If det A is not equal to 0, then it is non-singular matrix. Next, construct a 2/3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to mod of I minus j. So we need to construct 2/3 matrix. That means 2 rows and 3 columns should be there for the given matrix. So that's why I am taking the matrix like this. Let A is equal to 2 rows and 3 columns should be there. That means A11, next A12, A13. So here first row completed. Next second row I am taking A21, A22, A23. Here 2 rows are there and 1, 2, 3 columns are there. So this is the way to construct a matrix. So here small a denotes element of first row, first column, element of first row, second column, element of first row, third column, element of second row first column, element of second row second column, and element of second row third column. So if you take this condition, A is equal to A11, A11 is there. So A11 means I value is 1, J value is also 1. So 1 minus 1, mod of 1 minus 1 is 0. Next A12, I value is 1, J value is 2. Mod of 1 minus 2, mod of 1 minus 2 is 1. Next A13, mod of 1 minus 3, mod of 1 minus 3 is 2. Next A21, mod of 2 minus 1, I value is 2, J value is 1. Mod of 2 minus 1 is 1. A22 is mod of I value is 2, J value is 2, 0. A23, 2, 3. So I value is 2, J value is 3. 2 minus 3, mod of 2 minus 3 is 1. Now we have every value of every element. A11 is 0, A12 is 1, A13 is 2, A21 is 1, A22 is 0, and A23 is 1. So this is the matrix A. If a matrix has 13 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? Here number of elements are odd. If we have odd number of elements, there are only two possible ways to construct a matrix. Either we can arrange all 13 elements in one row, or we can arrange all 13 elements in one column. That means only two possible ways we can arrange the elements in a matrix if we have odd number of elements. So possible orders are either 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. Only two chances, either row matrix or column matrix we can form. Similarly, if we have 8 elements, then how many possible orders it can have means, if I give 8 numbers, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 8. So if I give elements like this, we can arrange all elements in one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one possible way. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is another possible way. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one possible way. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So either we can arrange all 8 elements in one row. That means 1 by 8 is one possible way. 4 elements we can arrange in 2 rows. That means 2 by 4 is one possible way. And 2 elements we can arrange it in one row. So this is one possible way. That means 2 by 4, 2 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and 2 columns, and all elements we can arrange in only one column, 8 by 1. Therefore, possible orders are 1 by 8, 1 row, 8 column, or 2 rows, 4 columns, or 4 rows, 2 columns, or 8 rows, 1 column. These are the possible orders. Next problem, if A equal to Aij of m by n is a square matrix, if square matrix means we know number of rows must be equal to number of columns. Here number of rows are m and number of columns are n. Therefore, this is called as square matrix when m is equal to n. Next question, the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 and 1. So elements are given, only 2 elements, 0 and 1. So with 2 elements, how many? So whatever may be the size you are taking, 3 by 3 here. What? The speed. So size of a matrix is 3 by 3. In this 3 by 3 matrix, you need to take the entries are 0 and 1 only. So in every place you need to fill with 0 and 1. So with 0 and 1, only with 2 elements, how many 3 by 3 matrices are possible? Only with these 2 elements, means answer is here. Total how many elements are there? 2 elements are there. 2 power, what is the size of the matrix we want? 3 by 3. So 2 power 3 into 3 is 9. 2 power 9 is 5012. So number of matrices possible are 512.